Hi there, so I'm going to be showing you around our 2016 66 plate Vauxhall Vivaro with a crew cab. I'll take you around the bodywork and I'll take you inside. So moving down the front left panel, front left cord, sorry, down the column, round the front, lovely blue colour. This was lovely about 15 minutes ago, but it snowed and now the sun's come up, so good old English weather. But there we go. Front right quarter, really nice condition. Front right wheel, good tread on the tyres, and wheels are in lovely condition as well. You've got your chrome offside step moving down the right hand side. Tinted rear windows. Back right wheels in good condition with good tread on the tyres. Out to the back right. As you see, you've got your rear parking sensors down there as well. Now moving down the left hand side. Good tread on the tyres as well. Tread on the tyres and the wheels in good condition. Just to show you the hold, these doors fold all the way out if you need them to. It's been wood lined. Taking you inside the van now, as best as I can. Radio works. Seats are in really nice condition, some slight wear down the right hand side of the driver's seat. So in the driver's seat now, you can see on the clock we have 80,021 miles. Leather steering wheel. For your cruise control here and here. Your audio controls are just behind the steering wheel there. Got your parking sensor controls, electric windows and mirrors. Now moving over to the infotainment system. Working well. You've got your FM radio, AM and digital radio as well. Media, you've got Bluetooth audio, auxiliary input, telephone, sat nav, looks like you've got audio speech controls there as well, various different settings there. Moving down here, you've got your heater and your air conditioning unit. There's some more, there's the controls for the cruise control, so on and off. 12 volt port there, cup holders there, lock for the hold, handbrake. And in the back, you have 3 seats. All in nice condition. And you've got some ISOFIX points as well. And that pretty much sums it up. I'll show you. If you're interested in this vehicle, please feel free to give us a call on 07917 Myself or Richard will happily answer any questions you have, potentially put you in a viewing if that is what you'd like to do. It comes with a 1-year warranty, 1 year's MOT, 1 year's AA breakdown cover. And if you'd like to find out more information about any of our stock or us as a company, please check out our website paylessforacar.com. Just to make you aware, this is a category S vehicle, but has been professionally repaired to the highest of standards. So you get all the same consumer rights, same warranty applies that any vehicle we sell would. So it gives you a bit of extra peace of mind. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So I hope to hear from you soon. Give us a call. Bye bye.